In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the link preview not showing up in WhatsApp. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might have been sent something where you can, usually see the preview of something whenever anyone sends you a link. However, if that's not showing up anymore, this is what you have to do. First thing that you want to do is when you're on your iPhone is open up WhatsApp. Once you're in WhatsApp, on the bottom right, you're going to see a lot of tabs, but on the bottom right, you're going to see the settings wheel. It's also going to say settings. And from here, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the option for privacy. It's going to be right under account and right above chats. So once you click privacy, all you want to do is you want to keep scrolling down. You're going to see a lot of settings, but you want to keep scrolling down until you see advanced. It's right under allow camera effects and right above privacy checker. So once you press advanced, you're going to see a few different settings, and all you want to do is make sure that disable link previews is not on. Also, I definitely recommend going through the rest of WhatsApp settings, making sure everything is exactly how you want it to be. But yeah, just make sure that that is not checked. And once you do, just restart WhatsApp, and then anytime anyone sends you a link, you should be able to see the preview just as you wanted. Now, if you found that video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.